Good evening. Today is September 1, 2020 and I am Sudarshan Sukhani. This is a webinar in which we discuss different ideas for intraday trading of the Nifty. Before we start our usual format, let me share a view with you. I discuss these trades with you and these ideas actually because I just want to share what I think about the markets, how I view the intraday market, what are the ways in which I analyze it, and I do not expect you to actually make a copy of whatever I say, and you cannot also make a copy. We each of us trade independently and individually. Also, I only hope that you will listen and get some ideas, get a feel of the market, share my experiences, and I am quite confident that all of you will be far better traders than I am. So this is a process of sharing with you. It is not a process of giving you trades. I cannot give that. You cannot take it. You will do it on your own. So this is just sharing of whatever ideas I have on every day. Now what about today? Yesterday I said that not sure what we will do. We will try to look and see a short selling opportunity comes. Maybe we will buy. So there was a sense of uncertainty. Today morning the market of Nifty opened about 60-70 points or maybe 80 points higher. So perhaps that could have been a buying opportunity on a dip. But what dip? In 5 minutes the Nifty gave up all the gains and actually went in the minus. So it fell 80-90 points in the first 5 minutes. So that was the first warning that this market is likely to be choppy today. 80 points up, 80 points down. And then another 100 points up. And then 120 points down. By which time it was very clear that this is a choppy market. At least I do not even know whether I should buy or sell. So what will I do about the trade? You know, every day in the morning I get a view. Today I am going to be a buyer. I may be wrong. I am very often wrong. But at least I know this is what I am going to do. But all this up and down in the morning created a sense of uncertainty. Am I a buyer or am I a seller? The market was not giving me a message. So at the morning outset itself, I thought it is best not to enter the market, not because it may be choppy. And after a big run up, then the Nifty fell 150 points. Then it went up 120 points. What kind of drama was that? Not for me. I think it was a choppy market and choppy markets are best avoided. And yesterday was a big trend day. After a big trend day, it's quite likely that markets will become choppy because after a big move, everyone wants to take some rest. So that's exactly what happened today. What about tomorrow? Now, today the Nifty has made a candlestick pattern called the Doji. All of you, I'm sure, are familiar with it. The open and the close of the day are almost close together. Why does this happen? Because during the day the market went up. Actually, there was a 200-point range today. But after all the 200 points of going up and coming down, the market couldn't decide what to do. Should we go up or should we go down? So there was indecision, and at the end of the day, the market closed where it opened. That's a doji. Now, if there is indecision in the market, usually we will see the market taking a decision in the next day, on the next day or the day after. We can never guarantee that it will happen tomorrow. Usually it should. So the trade tomorrow is a little difficult, but it is, if the Nifty crosses 11,555, that's today's high, that's an affirmation that it's going up and Monday was just one day. On the other side, the Nifty goes below 11,365, today's low approximately. That means that there is more downside. The Nifty is now willing to show further weakness. So these are two boundaries where trading opportunities exist. But suppose the market stays within these 200 points, then I have no answer. Maybe I will get a trade tomorrow. Most probably not. So we will see what happens. But I have given you the broad outline of how I wish to approach the market in the morning at least. I hope you enjoy these videos. Take care, trade carefully, have a lot of fun. Trading is really enjoyable and fun. And we'll meet tomorrow. Jai Hind.